What's up guys, Matthew back for another Gotrax comparison video. Today we'll be covering the Gotrax F series of folding electric bikes. We'll cover the differences between each model and break down which bike is best for you based on how you ride. This comparison covers the F1, F2, and F3. So if there's a specific model you're wanting to look at, you can check out the timestamps down below to skip ahead and check out the specific bike you're interested in. The F series e-bikes are some of Gotrax's most convenient rides, thanks to their ability to fold. This makes them super easy to store and carry, so they're especially great if you don't have a lot of storage space or if you live on a higher floor. Each F series e-bike offers both pedal assist and throttle, so you can choose how much energy you put into each ride. They even come with a host of free accessories to help enhance your ride. F series e-bikes are ideal for new and experienced riders alike, and each model has its own unique features that make it a perfect choice for different kinds of rides. The F1 is the lightest of the F series e-bikes, coming in at just 46.8 pounds. This makes it a breeze to store and carry wherever you need to go. Thanks to its 350 watt motor, the F1 reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. And its 48 volt, 10.4 amp hour battery helps power it for up to 50 miles per charge. Meanwhile, its 20 inch by 2.6 inch tires help cushion you on those rougher patches in the road. If you're looking for a lightweight, convenient ride, the F1 is a great choice for you. The F2 takes things to the next level. While it shares the same battery size and range as the F1, the F2's stronger 500 watt motor gives it a faster top speed of 25 miles per hour. Although the F2 is a little heavier at 58.3 pounds, it comes equipped with features that help it tackle more difficult rides. Its wider 20 inch by 3 inch tires, front suspension, and hydraulic brakes all work together to keep you more comfortable and in control on a variety of terrains. It even includes a useful rear storage rack for carrying extra cargo. These features combined make the F2 the ideal choice for riders who are looking for a stronger e-bike with plenty of utility. The F3 is the ultimate folding electric bike. It includes everything that makes the F2 so great, including a powerful 500 watt motor, front suspension, hydraulic brakes, and a rear cargo rack. It also matches the F2's weight at 58.3 pounds, so it's just as lightweight and portable. There are three main things that set the F3 apart: its speed, its battery, and its tires. To start, the F3 has a top speed of 28 miles per hour, so it's the fastest of the F series bikes. It also comes outfitted with a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery, which gives it the longest range of the F series bikes, at up to 60 miles per charge. Lastly, it has the widest tires of the F series, featuring 20 inch by 4 inch fat tires that handle rougher off-road terrain with ease. For riders who want a folding e-bike that can handle all kinds of rides, the F3 is the perfect choice for you. Whether you're looking for an easy way to get around town, something fun for those weekend rides, or anything in between, the Gotrax F series has an e-bike for everyone. So if you're interested in any of these bikes we've showcased today, be sure to check them out at Gotrax.com.